In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a dash line or just dash text. Right, so here we have a text and it's just a text, but you can actually add to this text a dash line. As you can see, click on now on stroke and you just increase the line and the weight, sorry, here. And now we have this dash line, but the stroke obviously is too much. Right, but of course we can decrease, increase, we can add limits as well. We can go to stroke here, and using the arrows we can play with this, and here let's add 8. Now we also have options here, corners, align. So yeah, that's good. If it's too much, then we can select here or just highlight and use the arrows. That's even faster. And now we can remove this or just remove it, whatever you want. Now you can also go to select this tool, and if you want you can create the outline from this text. So now this text outline, you can ungroup now and you have selected object, as you can see. So now it's more rounded this. So if you want to make this more rounded, just drag by this this circle, and so you can make this rounded. And if you were to have like just a text, so if you have just a text here, and you convert this text, create outline, now we can group or ungroup. And of course now we can actually edit this one, because this is not the outline, this is the outline. This is not a stroke, this is just the fill, and now you have more options here to, of course, to edit and change things. Alright, so that's very helpful for a beginner, for actually anyone that's learning in Adobe Illustrator. It's a great tip, so I really hope by watching this video you learn something new. If you have any suggestions for the next Adobe Illustrator tutorial, let me know in the comment section, because if there's something that you're curious to learn about Adobe Illustrator, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll create a tutorial for you, even if it's something very simple. So don't hesitate to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.